Have you ever wondered how a simple street in New York became the epicenter of the global financial world? It's a story that's more surprising than you might think. Let's rewind the clock. Way back to the 17th century. Forget the towering skyscrapers and the frantic trading floors. Picture this: a dusty lane in a bustling port town called New Amsterdam. Its name? Wall Street. But not for the reason you think. It was named for an actual wooden wall built by early Dutch settlers to protect themselves from raids. For a long time, Wall Street was just another street. The real action was happening down by the harbor. Manhattan was a hub of trade, with ships constantly arriving, laden with goods like coffee, tobacco, and cotton. The merchants who traded these goods were the pioneers of American finance. They weren't just selling products, they were also dealing in the promises of future profits. They would sell shares in their shipping voyages. You could buy a piece of a ship's cargo, and if the voyage was successful, you'd get a handsome return. This was risky business. Storms could sink ships, pirates were a constant threat, and markets could crash. But the potential for reward was huge. These early traders started gathering under a specific buttonwood tree on Wall Street to make their deals more organized and reliable. They were trading not just goods, but also the first government bonds, issued to fund the Revolutionary War. These informal gatherings were the very first flickers of the American stock market. They were building a system based on trust, reputation, and a shared gamble on the future. From these simple handshake deals under a tree, a new kind of marketplace was born. These merchants, who were once just traders of coffee and tobacco, were slowly transforming into the first American bankers and stockbrokers. They laid the foundation for an institution that would one day influence economies across the globe. It is an incredible evolution, from a defensive wall and a shady tree to the financial powerhouse we know today. If you found this piece of history as fascinating as I do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories behind the world we live in. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.